Hey guys, Mike again. Right, I've just done a video 5 minutes ago about the maps. It's the previous one on the channel. Also, I've been getting asked recently about linking out, so I'm going to do a very quick video that shows you dynamically how to link out to sites like Yell, Gumtree, Wikipedia, things like that from your actual page inside the dynamic backlinker. So when you export it, all of your dynamic backlinks also link out to the correct location page that the article is talking about, okay? How do I get back into my page? Doing the education videos, I don't even know how to use the thing. Right, okay. So, for example, let's start with something like yell.com, yeah? So, let's say Yell... In fact, let's just type in plumbers in Manchester, right? Now, I'm going to show you how to use the slug thing as well here. Right, now, what a lot of people will have said in the past, and I've also said it in the past because I've not looked into it properly. Things like Yell, you can't link out to the local area because of the way their URL structure is set up. Well, that's actually not true, and I'm talking here because it wasn't loading. Okay, well that's actually my friend's firm. That I know him, Mark, a great plumber. If anyone needs a plumber. Right, so basically, if I go in now and copy the URL for plumbers in Manchester, right, so I'm going to take you back over to my page here, and I'm going to paste it in so you can see the URL, okay? So this is the map thing we just did before. So, for example, all great plumbers in... we don't use that. We always use the keyword location. I was just going to write Manchester. Okay, so we've got this, yeah. This is what the Yell URL looks like, okay? So the Yell URL looks like https://yell/plumbers-manchester.html. Well, when you've looked at it, you can use the dynamic backlink builder to link out to any website, don't care what website it is, right, that uses locations in its URL. So if it uses, I forgot what they're called right now, let's have a look, permalinks. It uses permalinks that are the location name, which is what everybody tries to do, especially trying to like rank local, then you can use this to link out, and I'll show you just how quick and simple it is, yeah? Copy the URL, right, we'll go here, we'll highlight that other great plumbers in Manchester, we'll click on this, and you can use this for anything, it's not just plumbers. Click that, right, then what we're going to do is go to the Manchester bit there, and we're going to go open bracket, slug, close bracket. Why are we using slug? Because in some, they won't let you use the hyphen, okay? Well, this will actually create the hyphen, because what the slug is our URL, our location URL. So what we've done is we've gone to yell.com/s/plumbers-slug.html, okay? Click go, click update. By the time I finish this video, you'll completely understand this, because all I'm going to do is this 3 or 4 times to show you exactly how to do it. View post. Okay. Oh, there's no space, but you can see it's actually there, the link. It's underneath the city shortcode of the 10 closest locations. So you see that other great plumbers in Manchester, yeah? So we click on that, that'll take us to the Manchester. But instead of going Manchester, I'm going to St Helens. The reason I'm going to do that, it's the only one on there that's 2 words. St Helens, other great plumbers in St Helens. Let's click on St Helens. Look at, you can't see the URL from where you guys are, but if I click and copy that, is there anywhere on the page I can paste it? Oh yeah, let's see if we can paste it in here. There we go, see saint-helens.html. So it actually pulls our slug in, right? So that's why you're seeing St Helens, Merseyside. Okay, now if I come out of that and click on Liverpool, you're going to find other great plumbers in Liverpool. So when you export this to your HTML site, or when you create this inside of the website, depends what type of license you've got. If it's a single site license, you can only do exports. With multiple licenses, you can obviously create WordPress sites as well. Plumbers in Liverpool, other great plumbers in Warrington. We click on Warrington. If there's any plumbers in Warrington in Yell, there you go. You can see them all, okay? Now let's go back and let's do Gumtree. Okay, so let's type into Google Gumtree plumber in Manchester. In fact, let's not do plumber now. Let's do locksmith, because it gets a bit boring doing the same thing over and over. Right, so go see Gumtree. Yep, click on that. Locksmith services in Manchester, Gumtree. Right, I'm going to grab their URL. Theirs is so much easier to do. Back over, edit, click on visual. Oops. Just going to push that one down a little bit because it was a, and then I'm going to do it the same. Other great, not forget you can spin all this and do whatever you want with the writing. Other great locksmiths in location. Okay, again I'll show you the Gumtree URL. So it's gumtree.com/locksmithservices/Manchester. So what we're going to do with that, we're just going to go, not lug, we want slug. Okay, grab it, you've done it, that's the URL, that's how it's going to work. Copy that. Nope, I've copied that. Open that, stick it there, paste that in there, click go, click update, and view the post. Okay, so this is now going to land on the Gumtree page, and you're going to see the advertisements at the top. Let's agree that because I've not been on there before, obviously. And as you can see, Jesus Christ, they must make some money off these adverts. They're everywhere. As you can see, 11 ads from locksmiths, and then underneath there, you're going to get the organic ones, which are people who put the free ads in. Okay, so these are all your ones in Manchester. If we back out of there now and run over to, where's Liverpool? Can't see it. Let's choose Stockport then. And then we click on the other great locksmiths in Stockport. As you're going to see, locksmiths in Stockport, Manchester, but the actual organic ones will be your, well, they mustn't have that many because discount locksmiths mainly in Manchester, but this is their Stockport page. So I copied the hyphen, copy the link. Okay, I'm going to try one more. Let's jump over somewhere a little bit further away from Manchester. So let's try Burnley because that's pretty far away. Let me click on other great locksmiths in Burnley, and as you see, we've got Burnley, Lancashire. We've got the advertising. Them ads are terrible, aren't they? They're everywhere. But as you can see, then you start getting your own. That's Rochdale. So they mustn't have many locksmiths in Burnley, but you are actually on the Burnley page there. So if I go back to here now and click edit and show you the URL I copied a minute ago from Stockport, it looks like this. Oh, it looks like that, Stockport. You see? So that's why that works. Just works straight away. And then the one that a lot of people will want now will be Wikipedia. Okay, so the reason you want to do out to Wikipedia, it's not just inside stuff like this, it's inside your schema, it's inside all sorts of stuff. It's not for this video how and why you use it, I'm just going to show you how to link out to. So Wikipedia, so if I type in Wikipedia Manchester, okay, click on it, and there's the Manchester page. So I go and highlight that, come back inside, paste that in there so you can see it, and as you can see, it's got the Manchester. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this, do the slug, okay, and then copy that, and then put something like more information about our great city location. Click up there, paste in the URL we've just filled with the slug. Click go, click update, go back to view the page. More information about our great city, Manchester. We click on that, and that's going to take you to the Manchester Wikipedia. We come out of there and we go over to the Liverpool one. That's not on here. So let me click on something that's a bit closer to Liverpool. It might be Wigan. There's Liverpool. Right, we found Liverpool. So we go over to the Liverpool one. More information about our great city, Liverpool. And as you can see, that's the Liverpool page for it. And it just keeps working like that. So there might be a Chester one on there, and that'll take you to the Chester Wikipedia page. So all of your pages link out, and you can do this inside your schema, like I said. You can do this inside anywhere, all the back end, all of your SEO. You can actually pull the 10 closest locations to the current location that you're on into your page meta description. Let me show you how that's done, because that's absolutely cool. It really does give the local feel. So say you're doing a meta description, you come down to the bottom here. Depends what you're on. This is a magic page version. It might say dynamic backlink or SEO settings if you're inside of that one. But let's say we wanted to add, inside the page description, we wanted to add the 10 closest locations to the location we're currently on. Yep. We go here and we come up here, and rather than having these as links, we want to have them as titles. And that's it. Copy that. paste that into your meta description there, and into your meta. You can't use this in your meta title. Inside your meta description there. Click update. Okay, let's go back to view the page. Then I'll just quickly go. Oh, I haven't got it on here, have I? One sec. Let me just find. There it is. Reload, and then we're just going to have a quick look at the meta description. Look at that now, right? Carl Locksmith in Manchester, Greater Manchester, Northwest, M25, United Kingdom, Salford, Sales, Stockport, Oldham, Rochdale. Because I've done this major cities, I've not done it tiny little areas, it's pulling in the major cities, but as you can see, it's the 10 closest major cities, so you put in something like, we also cover, boom, and then they hit the Oldham page, as I'll show you now. If I go back on here, click on Oldham, you'll see the 10 closest locations will come up in a different order because the 10 closest locations are in a different order. There you go, Manchester, Northwest, look, Rochdale's the next one. Then it goes to Manchester, Bury, Salford, Stockport, Sale. So it works and brings in the 10 closest locations to the page you're currently on. That's also another cool thing which can make your meta description, now you're allowed 300 characters, I think it is. It can make it a lot easier to write decent length meta descriptions and keep them all completely unique throughout the whole site, and also gear around local. Okay guys, thank you very much. Cheers, bye-bye.